Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yamaha AG08 channel mixer and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this mixer is not working right, is not following the configurations you have set for it, or is just kind of bugging or glitching in any kind of way, a hard reset can very often fix this. Now you will need to set it up again because all of the presets, configurations, settings, anything that you've put into this device will be reset to its out-of-the-box factory default settings, like as if it were a new device. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this or buying a used one, or just for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start and have this be like it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do this, and it's really easy to do. All you need to do is, first of all, you're going to come over to the power button and turn it off. And then with it being off, we're going to find the channel 1 comp equalizer button, and we're going to press and hold it. And as we press and hold this button, then we're just going to come over and hit the power button to turn it on. And we'll know that it's worked when all the lights will start to go through like a kind of a little flashing sequence of lights. And just let it do its whole sequence, which will take about 50 seconds, at which point the device will be fully reset to its factory default settings.